Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today there is no surprises to be had. We are going to be reviewing my experience with the Esuvio Paint by Numbers kit. So I will link up in the eye my original unboxing of that. You can also go and check out the live video where I worked on the painting if you want some real-time kind of experiences with it. But yeah, let's get in and see how I got on with it, what I thought. Do bear in mind that I was working on a piece of my original artwork, and so that comes with its own sort of experience of painting something that is already your own, as opposed to painting a piece of artwork that's maybe like an old master's or a classic image that you're less familiar with. I think I made a good choice by going for something that was bold and sort of almost kind of edging towards pop art. So let's have a look at it. And here she is, all finished. Can I move you out a little bit? There we go. Just so you can see the whole thing. Yeah, I am really pleased. I do still have one more thing that I want to do, but I wanted to get this review done first, and that is I'm going to go round and paint all the edges of the canvas in the same green so that they match. And I can do that because I've got plenty of paint left. I used, there were 5 pots of this mint green and I used 3 of them for this. I think that was helped by the fact that I was using a acrylic medium to mix into these paints, which gives them a much more creamy, silky texture and just allows them to flow better onto the canvas, and therefore you use slightly less of them. Yeah, there was no other colours that I was anywhere near running out of. There were 2 pots of the black, and I still have at least half a pot left of that. And I was very generous in my application of these black bold lines because I wanted them to be really crisp. One of the things that I'm sure would probably benefit anybody working on any of these paintings is to do the background first and then work forwards with these outlines, or any outlines in your artwork being the last thing that you do, because that really helps you to crisp up these edges. So yeah, in terms of the paint quality, I was very happy. The paint was really good at covering the numbers that are in like a pinky magenta colour on the canvas. The paint was great at covering them, apart from this pale green, which I did find I had to go back in and do a second coat just to make sure that all the numbers were covered up, but that was completely fine. Yeah, on the whole, I don't have any complaints. I would definitely purchase a canvas from them again. I like the fact that not only can you buy available artworks from them, but you can also get customs, and they even convert photographs into paint by numbers for you. That is something that I don't know if I'm brave enough to try, but I could be convinced to give it a go. Yeah, their customer service has been great. I had the upgraded brushes, those were lovely, and even after using them, this is the one that I used for the black. It has picked up a little bit of staining from the colour, but it's still, you know, it washed up really nice and is very usable. Definitely something that I will go back to and use again. I don't know that I really have too much else to say. I'm going to hold on to the paints because they'll come in useful for other projects, so there'll be no wastage there. And because this is already stretched onto a canvas, the canvas is already stretched onto a frame, it is ready to go straight up onto the wall, which is definitely a real bonus. Other paint by numbers canvases I've done in the past that are just on rolled canvas have tended to languish in cupboards and folders rather than actually being displayed. So this is really nice that this one will be going up onto the wall. I think I'm going to leave this here. I'm super happy. Thank you to Zuvio for working with me to create this canvas. It was a really fun activity to do, and it didn't take very long, although I didn't rush the process. So there you go. If you want to find out more, I will leave links to Zuvio down below. And as I say, you can go check out my initial video for more information about what you get in the kit. That is all from me for now. If you like what I do, please do remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, come over to Facebook, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And if you'd like to support the channel more directly, you can do so by coming and becoming a channel member or Patreon. You can do that from 99p per month, and details are just down below. A massive, massive big love to those of you that already do that. Your names are on the screen now. And until next time, stay crafty.